Hi and welcome. My name is Erin, and here on my channel, I show you how to create your very own bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make not one, but rather two different cleansing oils for dry and sensitive skin. These are great for removing makeup and oil from the face, but yet also really good for hydrating and moisturizing the skin. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process on how I create these. So to make the first cleansing oil, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out my first carrier oil, and that is going to be Tamanu oil. This is going to be very moisturizing for the skin, but it's also going to help to strengthen the barrier of the skin and tighten and tone it too. Next, I'm going to add some peach kernel oil. This contains the vitamins A and E, and it will help to soothe dry and sensitive skin, but yet it's also going to help to moisturize it too. I'm now going to go ahead and add some rosehip oil. This is high in fatty acids and rich in antioxidants, and this will help to soothe any dry or sensitive skin, as well as hydrate and even out skin tone. So now that I have all three of these oils in my beaker, I'm going to go ahead and stir this really well and then pour it into my container. Now, this you can use as your only form of cleansing your face, or you can do what's known as the double cleansing method, where you use this first and then you follow up with a water-based cleanser. And it really is up to you as far as what your preference is. For me, I really like to just use this as my only way of cleansing my face, just because it really helps to add moisture to my skin, and that's what my skin needs. This will make 4 ounces of product, and it will last quite a long time. Let me go ahead and show you how I use this. I'm going to take 2 pumps of the oil, apply it to my skin, and then gently rub it in. And then I'm going to remove everything with a warm washcloth. This leaves the skin feeling very nice and soft and hydrated. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started making the second cleansing oil. And to a new beaker, I am weighing out some sweet almond oil. This is rich in vitamins and fatty acids, and it will help to soothe and prevent dryness on the skin, but it's also going to protect the skin as well. This is something that is really beneficial for those of us that have dry or sensitive skin. Now, if you have a nut allergy and you're looking for a substitute, continue watching because I will leave some suggestions later on in the video. To the beaker, I'm now going to be weighing out some Manuka honey. This is an extract that is oil soluble, and it has a lot of therapeutic benefits for the skin. So what it does is it will help to soften and smooth the skin. It's also great for healing any dry patches or redness present on the skin, and it will help to moisturize and hydrate the skin, as well as regenerating new tissue. So if you have fine lines or wrinkles, it's good for that. This next ingredient that I'm adding is polysorbate 80, and this is going to be the surfactant in this formula. It's going to help to break down any dirt, oil, or any impurities from the skin, and it will make it very easy to be washed away when used with water. This is going to leave the skin feeling nice and silky soft. And it is also something that will help to hydrate the skin as well. After adding the polysorbate 80, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from my scale and then stir this really well. And just like the previous cleansing oil that I made, this makes 4 ounces of product. And this is going to be a product that you can use daily. And I find it very effective in removing sunscreen from the face as well as makeup. Now you can use this as a standalone cleanser, or you can use this as a double cleanser like I mentioned earlier, it really is up to you. This feels really good on the skin, just like the other cleansing oil. It's just a different way to make a cleansing oil that is suitable for dry and sensitive skin. Just like the other cleanser that I showed in this video, you're going to apply it and use it the same way. I just wanted to give you a kind of an idea on how it becomes almost milky in appearance when you apply water. I don't think that this video is really showing it, but it does have a slight milky appearance when water is added. And then again, you're just going to use a damp washcloth and wash any excess of the cleanser away. So here are the substitutions for these two formulas. So for the first formula, instead of that tamanu oil, you can use hemp oil. For the peach kernel oil, use apricot oil. And then a good oil to use instead of rosehip oil, because I know rosehip is expensive, you can use jojoba oil in this formula. Now for the second formula, you can use argan oil for the sweet almond oil. And then for the manuka honey extract, you can use calendula extract. You just need to make sure that it's oil soluble. And then for the polysorbate 80, I found like really the only thing that I thought worked really good in this is going to be PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.